The Flexi Verteka system is a permanent formwork, lateral stability core and staircase system. Flexi Verteka offers a fast-erecting core system through an efficient and time-saving design. This allows construction of up to 1 story per day. A lightweight system for building accurate tolerances of the lift and stair cores, Flexi Verteka arrives with the reinforcement ready installed to allow same-day pouring. The system offers modular installation on site, a rapid, flexible and cost-effective alternative to other building methods, without the need for temporary works.